For today's recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make pumpkin brownies. You need half cup melted butter, 2 eggs, half teaspoon baking powder, half cup brown sugar, quarter cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup unsweetened pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon pumpkin spice, and 8 tablespoon dark chocolate pieces. First step is mix the flour, salt, and baking powder. In another bowl, cream together sugar and butter and mix in the egg until well blended. Pour the dry ingredient to wet ingredient, stir together, then divide this butter into 2 bowls. To the first bowl, stir in pumpkin puree and the spices, and to the second bowl, fold in cocoa powder and dark chocolate pieces. Line a 8x8 baking dish with parchment paper or spray with a cooking spray. Spread the chocolate butter on the bottom and pumpkin butter on the top. Bake in the preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit for 45 to 48 minutes. Allow to cool to room temperature before cutting and serving. Enjoy!